Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to continue doing automation with Bash script. So in this video, we are going to learn how to concatenate multiple videos into a single video using Bash script. But before continuing, remember to subscribe, give it a like, and leave a comment so you get notified of future videos. So let's get started. So basically what I want to do, I want to get this every single video inside this directory and concatenate them all into one single video. So I'm going to head over to the batch and I'm going to cd into that directory. So I'm already there. Then next I'm going to do an ls-l. So these are my files. Notice that they're all MP4 files. Okay. The next thing I want to do is to output the name of those files into a text file. So I'm going to use Bash script for that. So I'm going to say for file in everything.mp4. Notice that I only have MP4 files here. I don't have any other files. So it'll be a good idea to kind of clean up the directory before you run this command. So I'm going to use a for loop. So for file in everything mp4 do, and I'm going to say echo file, then I'm going to use the variable file, and I'm going to append that I'm going to redirect that into a text file called video list.txt, and then I'm done. So I'm going to press enter. If we do ls-l, notice now that we have this video list.txt file. So I'm going to output the content, and I have every single file, every single name of the file inside this text file. Notice also that every single line starts with the string file. It's at the beginning of every single line. Very important. Now we're going to use FFMPEG, which is an incredible utility in order to concatenate all the video files into one. So I'm going to say FFmpeg, and then I'm going to use the F option. I'll say concat, and then save 0 -i for input, and then I'm going to provide the name of my text file. And next I'm going to say C for copy, and I'm going to give it the name of the output file. So I'm going to say output.mp4, and I'm going to press enter. And notice how fast this is going to actually, I misspelled the name of the command. It should be FFmpeg, and I'm going to execute it again, and notice how fast and this is going to finish. And that's it, done. So if I do ls again, and this is the resulting video, and it is about 92 megs, so that's not a lot. Let's go ahead and make sure we can play the video. So I'm going to click open. Two important concepts in batch. One is arrays. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and as always, see you in the next tutorial.